Here's an Impala SS, a unique, especially in classics, one of the later varieties. It's a 1995 Chevrolet Impala SS. So bucket seat car, black exterior as you can see, gray leather. LT1 5.7 liter power underneath the hood, paired with an automatic with overdrive transmission, of course power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the front blacked out grille and bumper. This vehicle will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see the black paint shows well. Did notice one little touch-up spot or two on the hood, but overall you can see it has a nice shine to it. It's a 2-owner vehicle, clean Carfax, low miles, just a little under 13,000 is all on this one. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures, riding on the correct polished wheels. 507-386-1726, number to call. As we take a look down the passenger side, you can see the passenger side paint, nice reflection in it, good shine. Did notice one little dinger right there that could probably be PDR'd. Paintless dent removal, but no real major scratches or nicks. There it is, the gray leather interior. Like I said, bucket seats, your modern amenities that you're going to get. It does have the service manuals that will go with it also. Previous owner had, wanted to include them for the next owner. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. So we take a look around at the rear of this car. Dual exhaust, of course. And again, you can see the reflection of that paint, nice shine to it. We'll start it up, let you hear it run in a bit. Check out underneath the hood. Remember, we have an open door policy too for third-party inspectors. Can't make it to see it yourself, maybe due to time or distance. Want somebody to take a look at it, report back to you, not a problem. We try to represent these as fairly as we can as far as the cars are inventory, with all the pictures taken, undersides, interior, engine bay, and of course the walk-around video, as well as the one driving, so you kind of get a bird's eye view what it's like to ride in the car. And you can see the passenger side. Also in nice shape. Let's take a look. Yeah, let's go ahead. The rear seats, take a look in the still pictures. Practically like new, as is the door panels, of course, power windows, locks. Power seat, both sides. Power mirrors, tilt cruise. Seating area, what you'd expect as far as wear with such a low mile car. Headliner all good. No surprises on this one. Let's go ahead and start it up. Let you hear it run. Again, 2-owner, clean Carfax. There's your miles, 13,853. Sorry, I said it was a little under 13,000, it's a tad over. So 13,853. Dash looks good. AM, FM cassette player. That is in working order. Like I said, AC blows cold. Slip around to the back here. Let you hear it run. I have not noticed any modifications in this thing. Sounds like you'd expect. Let's go ahead and pop that hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up. So, hood release. Down by the kick panel. I think I can probably get this one one-handed. There it is, 5.7 liter. Hood liner, good shape. This engine bay, also nice, clean and tidy. Smooth running, sounds good, looks good. These cars go down the road, so nice, smooth. Nice riding vehicles. Fun ones to get in, take a little traveling. trips with them, or maybe just your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. 1995 Chevrolet Impala SS. 2-owner, a little over 13,000 miles. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. That may be extendable up to 10 years. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. A ton of them. Look on our website. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1995 Chevrolet Impala SS. This would be the full-size performance car with 4 doors. This is an automatic on the column. Power seats, power windows. Factory stereo working great. We have a digital speedometer. We're at 55 miles an hour. The oil pressure is 3/4 of the way up the gauge. So is the fuel. Battery is charging at just over half the gauge, and the temperature is about 1/4 of the gauge. This car has good acceleration. If I let go of the steering wheel, it should stay straight in the lane. We'll test out the cruise control just after this corner. Brakes are working well. Comfortable leather bucket seats in this car. Center storage and center console for cups, glasses. Cruise control working well. Air conditioning blowing cold. Very nice, sleek looking black 1995 Chevrolet Impala SS. Check out all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.